Hey, so today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle tutorial on how to do a perfect slick back, and I usually put on a beanie the day prior, so while I sleep it just flattens out my hair. I'm going to be taking it off, and as you can see my hair is starting to get back that volume, and the next thing I did was just damp up my hair and dried it off with a towel. Alright, now that my hair is damp, we're going to be putting on some Battle Born Grooming Co. pomade, and I got this pomade from Amazon. Yeah, you could just put on the amount that I put on in the video, and you just want to thoroughly put it everywhere in your hair, even the sides of your hair, because you got to make it all look nice. Alright, now that we've thoroughly put on the pomade, all my fellow Latinos will know what I'm pulling out right now. It's Mocha de Gorilla. This stuff works great to keep your hair nice and tight and steady, and this stuff will prevent your hair from moving throughout the day, trust me. And those who do not know what Mocha de Gorilla translates to, it translates to gorilla snot. We don't mess with mousse because mousse will get your hair loose. And the next thing that you'll need is some hairspray. You can get the brand that I pull up on screen, but you could just use any hairspray. It'll all work the same. You just got to make sure that it has that proper hold. If you're familiar with the product, then you should just stick with it, but that's basically the last thing you should use. And the next thing you want is a bristled brush like the one that I'm showing you, and you just want to just comb your hair and make sure that the hairspray just gets everywhere in your hair so it forms nice and tight. Then you're going to want to use another comb, with this time the comb bristles being tightly compacted together, so when you swoop it through your hair, comb back your hair, it'll make it all tight and uniform. It'll clump it all up, and it basically makes the hairstyle look so nice. Just watch till the end, you guys will see what I mean. And now we are finally complete with the hairstyle. I hope you guys really enjoy these helpful and quick tips to get the perfect hairstyle. This is just one of them. It's the slick back. I just think it looks the most slickest and sly. I wear it every day whenever I go out or anything, out to dinner, out to lunch, out to work. And if you want to hit me up for a collaboration, you guys can go down to the description below and click my link tree and links to all my socials, or you guys could just look up Antbin Breezy on every platform. I'd be on there, and women are welcome to hit me up as well, 18 and above. And that'll be it for this video, guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.